Hi, so we're back again with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 Under Armour edition. Those who know me know I love Under Armour, Project Rock, almost anything. So this is not mine actually. I'm using the Fossil Gen 5. Got it about a year ago. It's pretty dope. This is for my wife. She's been wanting a smart watch for her fitness activities. She goes to the gym with me, we work out and stuff. So reviews for this were pretty good. So we decided to get her this. That's the front of the box. So it was 1099, but the current offer during this time, which is August 2020, we got it for about 99 bucks cheaper. So 999 ringgit actually. Alright, so she has been using this for a couple of days. So it's already been unboxed. I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you again. Okay, here's the packaging. Okay, let's have a look inside. Come on, come on, come on. A little bit more. There we go. There we go. Okay, so pretty simple, basic. A little QR code there. All the instructions are basically online. So let's start with this before we go to the main icing on the cake. So this is the charger. It's actually a wireless charger. Samsung's wireless charger. Clean. Alright, it doesn't come with a power brick though. We gotta use our own bricks, or just plug it into a computer, laptop, USB outlet, something like that. Sleek, simple charger, black, doesn't get dirty. The one I have for this is a white charger, and it's been about a year. It got a little bit dirty. Okay, the charger's that. Let's look at the icing at the top of the cake. Simple gray strap. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they call this the aqua black. Here's the back. So straps, it does have the Samsung branding, and yeah, that's pretty much it. There you go. UA, Under Armour branding. Alright, let's boot this up. There you go. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. And here we go, my favorite part's coming up. It's taking a while, so let's just admire this. There we go, Under Armour. I know, yes, it's just a small little thing. It's a small little touch, but I like it. The fact that, well, we don't really restart our watch, anyhow, smartwatch that often anyway. But I like the fact that it has that touch to it, There's of course a standard wallpaper which we can change. You can preset it in your phone and see what else they have. So I haven't really got much time to play around with it, so it's not a review, just basically an unboxing. Haven't used it in the gym yet. Build quality is definitely, this, if I'm not mistaken, is the aluminum one. It's not the stainless steel or the other version they have. Okay, why choose the Under Armour, right? It didn't cost that much difference. The normal ones were also 999, so might as well take this. You got the additional feature. Yeah, that's right. The additional feature is the fact that if you have an Under Armour Hover running shoes that has the mechanism to track your runs through a phone app, we can use the watch can connect to that shoe as well. So a small additional feature right there. Let me walk you through the app. Just go through the app for a moment. Alright, Samsung Galaxy wearables. There we go. So this is the basic app. We've already registered the watch and like 60% battery life, 23 hours, 40 minutes remaining. So here's settings where we can customize notifications, apps, widgets, sound and vibration, display, advanced, the usual most smartwatches would have. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Just scroll through a little bit. There you go. You got the widget there. Okay, let's see. Got heart rate monitor. Nope, don't need to monitor my heart rate. We go back. I'm guessing that's the back key. Scroll down, usual settings, settings, settings. Yep, and that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the unboxing experience, and yep, have a good one.